There's a froggy in there somewhere. Well, it's bloody pissing down here, as you can see. It's been like this for the past hour. When you can't see the bridge, you know it's raining. When you can barely see the hotel, you know it's bloody raining. And there's been some massive thunder and lightning going on. I mean, really right overhead. Like flash, boom. And yeah, the cats have disappeared under the settee and we won't see them for about 2 days. But yeah, I'm gonna stick a clip of some of just over there. This clip is the the road's flooded just over there.
下面那个黄的已经停了，下面那个没了，再过一会儿再下一会儿就没了。这开饭是不行，前面那个开不了，风进去了就没了，这个就一线3米长。
Yeah, so this is what you call a tropical storm. But the bonus is it's nice and cool. I can sit here, have a nice can of beer and not sweat it out as soon as I drink it. So yeah, cheers.
The water in there, the car is in the water now.
Oh yeah, see the road over there is flooded.
You need to put the lens.
And go up a bit there. The road, it looks like the road there. Oh yeah.
Maybe like.
Yeah, it looks like it's about. Yeah, it looks like it's about. Looks like it's about a foot up the. Yeah, it's like it's a foot up the car. It looks like about a foot deep there. Wow. So this is the road down by our apartment. That's our apartment there, and you can see that we've had a bit of rain. Cops over there looking at something. This ground that we're walking on is very, very soft. Snooky's probably wanting to go for a swim. And yeah, this ground is very soft. If you want to go around here, you've got to walk in the water a little bit.
Oh my God, look at this bubble here. Where did this bubble come from?
Where did bubble come from?
On the ground.
I know. People still driving through it. Cops over there. Traffic cops. So yeah, we've had a lot of rain, as you've seen on some of the other videos, and this is a consequence of all the rain we've been having here outside our apartment. The road is pretty damn flooded. Probably about a foot of water. And there's more rain coming today. It's raining now, and tomorrow. Now here we go. There's somebody in their 4x4 braving the waters. Oh. Careful. This lady's gonna... Careful. Whoa. She's braving the flood. Yeah, look, it's really muddy there. Whoa. Really, oh. It's gouging. Huge tyre marks in the grass. Policeman as ever, just standing there doing nothing. More people wondering what to do with their bikes. Yeah, we've got us a convoy the brave guy or woman on her bike. That's a learner driver there, learning the hard way. Biking, electric bike. Yo! These electric bikes, see, go anywhere. I've seen people with the bike completely submerged and they're still driving it. Not here, but on YouTube. Are they gonna stop and weigh it up? Or they're just gonna go for it? Yeah, that was a mistake. Jail. Got no shoes on yet. Careful, careful. So you can see we got a bit of a lake here. It looked like it was deeper, but they've sandbagged the garage and they're now pumping it out. I mean, it's not even pumping the garage out. It's just pumping this area here. It's pumping. It looks like we're going for a paddle. Probably with these slippy shoes on, they're so slippy. These flip-flops, I'm probably liable to go right on my ass, and it's flipping it up. The back is flipping the water up onto my bottom. So it's all muddy. Yeah. Oh, now we have the ornamental pool, and then it looks like another swimming pool behind that. So this lawn has filled up with water as well. Yeah, there was some rain coming down earlier. Look, that's a good. How deep is that? 6 inches? No, a couple of inches, 3 or 4 inches maybe. Wow. It's starting to rain again. So actually, just about 2 or 3 days ago, we moved into the moon phase of autumn in China. So technically, although it's only what, August, was it the 11th today, that we're now technically in the autumn phase of the moon, because you know the Chinese use the lunar calendar and sort of calculate these things differently. But now we're in autumn, and the forecast for the next week is rain. I think it's going to be heavy rain, tropical rain, and it's starting to start again now as we're walking back to our apartment. I think it sounds like the frogs are happy. There's a froggy in there somewhere. Can't see him, can hear him.